So the last two boards of the seminar sets were the most interesting. They were the ones which required the most imagination. The second board of the set, which we'll show you in a second, some people didn't get to play, but we all got to play this board. Now, we opened 3 spades, a fairly standard preempt. If you play the rule of 2 and 3, you're showing that you have 7 winners in your own hand. Over that, partner bids 5 spades. That asks about the quality of spades. It says if you have good spades, go to slam. If you don't have good spades, pass. Again, the West hand must be rich in good cards and controls, because I'm weak. Why would they be looking for slam otherwise? As I have the ace, king, queen to a 7-card suit, I bid 6 spades. Pass, pass, pass. And the person on lead leads the queen of clubs. So immediately we win, because it looks for all intents and purposes as if we have one loser in clubs, and that's the only loser. We have 3 losers starting off, but the ace will cover the 3 and the king of hearts will cover the 4, meaning the 6 is a definite loser. But there are no other losers on the hand. So we win. And we go about our business of drawing trumps, hoping that the jack comes down in 1 or 2 or 3 rounds. And suddenly, when the left-hand opponent shows out, we might think we can't make this contract. But if we play the cards correctly, we can recover from this position, because North has the jack and the 9 of spades left. So we play the ace of hearts. And we play the king of hearts, getting rid of one of our losers. And we ruff a heart, thereby diminishing our trumps. And we lead a diamond to the table. And we ruff another heart, thereby diminishing our trumps. And we lead another diamond to the table. And we lead another diamond. And it doesn't help North to ruff in, because if they ruff in, we're drawing their trumps. And when they throw a club, we ruff small, and we're left with 2 winners in our own hand if we lead a club. Because no matter which person wins the trick, if they win on our right, they have to lead a spade. And we can now take the marked finesse. And if our left-hand opponent had have led a card, they would have ruffed with the 9 of spades and we would have over-ruffed with the 10, or they would have ruffed with the jack of spades and we would have over-ruffed. So even though a bad break happened, because it was onside and we didn't panic, and we went slowly to work out that if we can ruff 3 times in our own hand and end up with 2 cards, the queen and the 10 of spades, for the last 2 tricks, no matter who wins the 3rd last trick, we can make the contract. The last hand of the seminar sets for the 2nd weekend for Youghal Bridge Club is a beautiful hand, where if you play all your cards out, you will be able to work out where the card is you're missing. So 2-no trump, again 20 to 22 unbalanced, pass. There is no point in West bidding anything other than 7-no trump. They have 17 points and they know between them they have 37 points with a completely balanced hand. Pass, pass, and pass. The lead is the 10 of spades, I think. And now we know we have to find out about the jack of diamonds. And if we guess correctly, and we're good guessers, we'll have no problem. However, we shouldn't need to guess. If we play all of the suits in spades, hearts, and clubs, we can find out where the diamond is or is likely to be. And as we play out the suit, we count the cards in the opponent's hand. There are 2 spades on my left and 2 spades on my right. There are 3 spades on my left and 2 spades on my right. That means the spade suit is divided 5 and 2. Now I'll play the heart suit. And when I play the heart suit is divided 5 and 2. So I know the person on my left started with 5 spades and 2 hearts. Now I'll play clubs. And now I know they have 5 spades, 2 hearts, 2 clubs. Therefore, they must have 4 diamonds to the jack. And I start off by playing the king of diamonds, just in case North has a singleton. And then when I play the queen of diamonds, we can check whether my maths is good. Oh, now we show all the cards, please. And now when I lead a diamond, no matter what diamond is played on my left, I finesse and I pick up the diamond suit. And if we have a quick look at the south hand, we'll see that my counting was correct. Now, we could equally have counted the north hand. The north hand showed us they had a doubleton spade. And by West showing out after 2 rounds of clubs, the north hand also showed us they had 5 hearts and 5 clubs. So the full count of the hand becomes apparent by playing all the other suits. And then we play the diamond suit knowing where the card is. That's a marked finesse, but we can only do that if we count the hand.